We got these new, what we're calling porn lights.
Porn lights?
Yeah, because they put a sheer and a shine to them.
Pete,
So
if you would have told me, I would have dressed accordingly.
yeah, not like that.
How you doing, Pete?
What up? How are you?
I brought you a gift. No, I'm joking. I gotta go to Costco on the way back.
Okay. Well, cool.
How excited are you to get this black machine out of your shop?
No. It's not like that. It's not like it's. I only have a way of doing it. I only have a way of doing things, right? And when you have to touch something, you have to touch something else, right? And it's just an ongoing thing, and that's why I find it difficult for me to be in the repair business, because I can't do the one thing. Like I don't know if I told you.
Left, it's a
I don't know if I told you a story that the guy local, like, he needed to adjust his clutch, and I'm like, it's really easy, man. You just go in there and adjust it. He's like, well, that's right, I can't do it. And I'm like, he's like, how much you charging? And I'm like, dude, like $20, so I'll adjust your clutch. I said $20, so that's fine, right? So what happened? I brought it in here, and his clutch tube was loose, so it had broke away from the pan. The stop that held the pedal was rusted and cracked and was bent down and was no longer fixing. The hook, when I went inside there and looked at the hook, it was like this, about to fall off. The spring on the lever was broken, and then when we figured it all out, when we came back, it said even the throwout bearing was broken. So, like, it's $20. Right? Do something, and it was everything. It's just like, okay, we're gonna pull the motor for $20. Fix the throwout bearing lever. The spring, I had to take the spring off, put the new lever on, right? And inside I had to weld. You know what I'm talking about? There is zero chance that I can do that and feel good about taking $20. You know what I'm saying? It's tough. So,
valuable lesson for me about camping, right? It just is starting fire line. This is the lane, right? Yeah. This is why you got out of the other lane. Yeah, work is expensive. Lesson. Like we talked about, buying line, buying line.
physical attraction.
But it was never meant to be a show car. I was never intending to make it a show car. Here again, I had my kids in this, right? You drove it, right? I don't know how this thing, and you guys probably talked about it too. I don't know how to know. Like, so when you drove it, yeah, you could tell it needed some, but it didn't feel like what you guys examined and found out to be true. It didn't feel like it was.
Well, that's why it's going to be really weird for me to hear what you have when you go on a little test drive with this thing and find out, like, how long have you been driving it like this?
She's about a year.
Okay, so
and just on and on, not like long.
Right. But you understand the idiosyncrasies of what the car does under this kind of bump, what I do when I shift from first to second, third to fourth, right? You know.
All gonna change.
Everything is different, man. Like, it is different driving.
Yeah.
Different. Like,
you test from right?
Oh, yeah. I did the brake pedal and went around for 40 minutes.
How did it feel for you?
Like it should.
But not even like a stark difference.
Like, yeah, you're not going to remember it. Yeah. Good. So,
day difference, dude.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
That was amazing. The brakes were sweet.
Yeah.
Everything, the ride, the brakes, everything were.
Good.
It was amazing.
I want to tell you about the promotion we're continuing in 2021, and that's giving away one of these ultimate beams to one of our subscribers who likes and comments on our videos. Once we hit 10K, we're at this number right here right now. Going to random subscriber, and you could be it. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like.